Yeah, Deathcore community went on fire because they are re-recording this album. Yes, the heaviest one of the Bring Me the Horizon is coming back with new lines of vocals. Of course, inspired by the old ones. And let's talk about it. And first of all, I want to talk about the technique that Oliver are using in this album.
Yeah, wrong time.
First of all, it's very important to say that many animals and mammals, of course, already use this kind of sound and distortion. You already know that we are mammals, so we also can do it. So you might notice that Oliver's video, you notice that sometimes he do these little reflexes of coughing. And I'm gonna explain why these things happen sometimes when we are doing this kind of technique. It is because different than the scream that we let air out, we are putting the air in. And when we are putting the air out and doing the distortion, this vibration helps to make more wet our system. And when we are putting air in, these glands are not stimulated. That's why you felt a little bit dry, a little bit weird in some points. And also you cannot restrict space or you're gonna fuck your throat. So that's the tips for you that wanna do inhale. And there are a lot of myths about it, and I want to show you this guy that already do inhale distortions about 10 years and more. And how also you can check it out on the Garza podcast. This guy is insane. The Brown Band, and he's doing inhale about 10 years and more, and it's fucking sick.
You will finally be free from this! When you say so exist!
That's inhale?
All of it.
Program just to suffer endlessly!
And also, it's like, it's louder than most of these people are exhaling even.
Interesting.
And, because there's a lot of vocalists that they do exhales, but they're super quiet. Like, they're able to be quiet, which they do that to preserve the voice.
Sure.
But people don't think that you can project with inhales, and it's just, I think it's just one of the biggest stigmas ever. And I'm here to just say.
And once again, vocal techniques is for you to save energy. That's the important thing to say. So when these guys are doing it, he's doing in a safe position. He's doing in a safe spot, in a sweet spot, and guaranteed to you. So let's go for some tips about inhale. Okay, first of all, you need to stay relaxed, and also when you put the air in of your body, you need to understand that you don't put all at once. It's just a little fraction of it. Play around with that a little bit just to get used to do it. And also find a falsetto note on it. First you do the falsetto, throwing air out, and then try to put it back, So that's the idea, to your body get used to it. Once again, don't put all the air in at once if you want to sound loud. The idea to sound more loud is finding a good place to do the resonance. You're gonna notice that more expressive you are, more loud you can go, and if you have a lot of space. And I noticed that it's very important to put your chin a little bit in the front. And also play around with that. It's very important to feel free and use a lot of space in your body. And also, you start to get used to not coughing and do this kind of stuff. But it's very important to understand that we are not stimulating the gland that do the wet thing of our body. So be careful with doing during a bunch of time. Be careful with that. Always take a note of how you are doing it and how your body feel when you are doing it. I'm already feel a little bit dry now. That's the feeling that I felt. That's why I prefer to do the exhale thing, because when I go for my music, I used to go for the clean and high distortions, and when I need to give this movement of put the air in and put the air out, put the air in and put the air out, it's very difficult to administrate that. Once again, it is not impossible. You need to train to do it. But for me, in my case, I like more the scream that I throw air out, because it's the same move that I already doing when I'm singing. Oh, hey, ah! Instead of oh, ah! It's very different. We need to find out a good spot to play around with that. If you want to check out my courses, link below. It's a free trial. I hope you enjoy it. See you soon, buddy. See ya.